Hey guys, it's Miss Darling. I know you're starting a new research project, so I think it's very important for you to keep in mind where you're doing your academic research, and that you don't just use Google. You'll need to be using books, ebooks, and databases for your research as well. And I'm going to show you why. If I go in and do a search on World War II, I come up with 111 million results. That's a lot. And I don't even know which ones are worth reading or which ones might be considered like blog posts or images or videos or something that I don't necessarily need. So I'm going to show you another way to do some research. Okay, if you go to the Stafford Primary School website under the tab of Library and follow the Destiny Quest online library catalog. Now go to exit and you'll be in and over here on the left hand side go to Destiny Discover. From here I want you to log in so that you can save any research that you might find. So I'm going to log in using my email and my password, and you'll do the same. Okay, I'm logged in now, and I'm going to do another search here for World War II. And this is going to give me a lot of information. First of all, the book section is going to tell me what books we have in our Stafford library and where to find them. So I know there's a lot that are checked out right now, but if I found one that I was interested in reading, I could either find one and put it on hold or find one that's already in, and the call number will be available for you right here. And you can find that in the library. This is like it's the book's address. So if you can't find that, ask Miss Erickson or me, and we can help you find that. Also, it will tell you the reading level, when it was published, and that sort of thing. Up above, we have our digital ebooks, and we don't have any ebooks on World War II. So that wouldn't be an option, but do check that because we're getting more and more all the time. Databases. There's a lot here. So you can go to quite a few different databases, which are going to be super helpful for you. And I'm going to show you a few. But note that there's the WebPath Express has about 500 resources. And then some of them you can look at, like Culinary Arts Collection. You're clearly not going to want that. Well, and then if you scroll down, there's also World Book Encyclopedia, which will be handy in a lot of your situations. So I'm going to go to WebPath Express, and I'm just going to kind of browse quickly, and oh, this sounds good. I might either put it as a favorite and look back later, or just click on it and see what kind of information it finds. Well, this is just an image, so I'm going to go back to World War II here. And oh, children in wartime, maybe that sounds interesting. And that might give me more information that I'm looking for. Now if I want to save this, I can put this right, I go back to my Destiny page and I can add it as a favorite and come back to it later, or I can just add it directly to a collection. Okay, in World Book, you, again, would do another search. And that will give you all the encyclopedia articles. You can scroll down there and see not all of them pertain. So go to World War II. And here you're going to have an article, images, videos, and audio, related information, and lots of information that you can look through here. Scroll through. There is photos, maps, videos that you can use, and the related information is pretty helpful. There's other encyclopedia articles, books, articles that were written during World War II time period, special reports, and other websites that might come in handy, as well as magazine articles. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please come and see me in the library.